Welcome everybody. In this video, we will discuss about the TCP three-way handshake. First, TCP is connection-oriented protocol, reliable protocol, right? Which mean if we need to send any packet from client to server, or if any communication is required between client to server, we need to establish the TCP session. So, in order to establish the TCP session, the client and server, both host, have participate in the process. We call say three-way handshake. Okay, so first, like sender, or you can say that client host send the TCP packet called SYN packet. Okay, with the this packet, client is requesting a new session with the target server, and this SYN packet contain the initial sequence number and other such information, like source address of client, destination IP address of server, source port, destination port. And additionally, it's also contain the MSS value, maximum segment size value, as well as. Okay. Now, second packet is server will initiate towards the client CNEC. Okay. So once targeted server send back a CNEC package contain the initiate, means sender sequence number, like client sequence number plus one. So this is has to be done in order to prove that it's received the initiating the host first packet. So here client is acknowledging the first packet. Here a server is acknowledging the client's first package by adding a plus one value. Okay. Now initiating the host then responds CNEC packets the target host signed by the finally acknowledgement. Like, so here we can say that, like, now client will initiate the another third packet to server to acknowledgement of that CNEC package. So that information contain like source address, destination address, source port, destination port, sequence number, acknowledgement number. Acknowledgement number of server sequence number incremented by one, and acknowledging the receipt of the client's acknowledgement packet. So the so here three packet exchange. So we are saying that it's a TCP session, like in TCP session will be established using a three-way handshake. The packet in the three-way handshakes are simply empty packets with a different TCP control bits active. There are several different control bits other than SYN and acknowledgement as well as. So there are other flags as well as TCP flags, which we will discuss on another video in the future. But understand, like SYN, SYNAC, and acknowledgement. SYN means synchronize, acknowledge. CK means acknowledgement, the packet. So SYN packet contain the initial sequence number and other data. SYN acknowledgement packet that contain the means target means server sequence number plus acknowledgement of initiator's push sequence number, client sequence number. And third one is acknowledgement of server's sequence number. So when both client and server, both host, know which sequence number they will use, the session is established, and they can start the transferring the data, or they can communicating actual communication happen. Actual communication in the sense, like if you want to access any website, web server from the web browser. So first, to establish or to access those resource from server, so before that it's required to establish the TCP session.